Today's demonstration is the Viatek SMARTscan Plus solution, showcasing how quickly and easily you can on-ramp critical information into your business. Historically, most businesses scan their important documents to email, then open the email, open the scanned attachment, rename and resave the document to the location they actually want to save it to. This is a slow, inefficient process with multiple steps. And because the way documents are named and where they are saved is at the discretion of each end user, means your important business information is likely being named and stored here, there and everywhere, which means finding the important information when you need it can be a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. The Viatek SMARTscan Plus solution streamlines this process in a number of ways. Starting first at the photocopier, I take the document I need to scan, load it into the document feeder and click the SMARTscan Plus button. I'm then prompted to enter some information about the document I'm scanning, starting with the client name. These fields are completely customisable to suit your specific requirements, and we typically use a combination of drop-down lists or lookup lists to make the process quick, easy and accurate. I search for the information I need by just typing in a couple of letters, and I've got what I need. I then select the financial year and the document type. I have the option to enter any optional notes, and I can change the scan settings if I need to. When I'm done, I hit Next, then Start. My document is automatically named and saved based on the information I've entered. A folder is automatically created based on the client name, a subfolder based on the year, and the document is named using a combination of both those things as well as the document type. Named the right way and saved in the right place every time. If that doesn't make things easy enough, we can also convert each scanned document to a text searchable format, which means you don't even have to navigate through folders to find the information you're after. You can just search for a keyword you know is in your document and hey presto, there it is. In addition to scanning paper-based documents, the Viatek SMARTscan Plus solution can also help streamline the naming, saving and centralised storage of the electronic information and documentation coming into your business. In this example, I have a number of incoming documents that have been sent to me via email. I simply click on the attachment so I can preview the content of the file. Then, in the SMARTscan Plus web portal, I follow the same indexing process as I did at the photocopier device. I can once again quickly and easily search and find the client name, select the year, and then the document type. I then drag and drop the email attachment into the portal and hit Send. After the document is submitted, I can either click Done or select to return to form. If I choose to return to form, the previous information I just entered is retained. So, in this example, if I needed to scan the same document type, but this time for a different client, I only need to go and reselect a new client rather than re-enter all the other information. This makes the submission and scanning of multiple documents much quicker. The folder structure is for storing the document is created automatically. A top-level folder for the client name, a subfolder for the year, and the document is again named based on both these things plus the document type. Fast, easy and consistent storage and naming of your files, whether they come in electronically or are scanned from the MFD. Another way to streamline the on-ramping of information into your business is when you have a large batch of documents to scan. In this instance, rather than scanning and indexing each document at the photocopier, it's a lot faster to take that batch of documents and scan them together as one set. This way I'm not having to stand too long at the copier. I just load up the batch of documents, hit the scan button and walk away. In this example, I had the option to either split my document by a set number of pages or by using a blank page separator. I'm going to split a batch of tax returns every 12 pages. To do this, I select the number of pages I want to split the documents by, and I can also enter in a name to reference the document. Then I hit Next and Start, and now instead of having to scan my documents one at a time, they are all scanned together as one set. The batch of scanned files is automatically split into their document subsets and dropped into a network folder ready to process. This way, I can now index each file back at the convenience of my desktop. I simply click on each file in the folder so I can preview the content. Then in the SMARTscan Plus web portal, I quickly search and select the client name, the financial year, and the document type. and then I drag and drop the file into the portal and hit send. Then I simply repeat the process for the other documents I scanned as part of the batch. And once again, my batch of scanned documents are now named the right way and saved to the right location. Viatek SMARTscan Plus, a smarter way to work.